Cause you're my forever, you're my reality. You're my sunshine, you're my best times, you're my anomaly. And I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you, and I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will, when the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take, I choose you. This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity. With our union, we will move mountains. We will live on our knees. 'Cause he'd choose us in 100 lifetimes. He'd choose us in 100 worlds. He'd find us, and we'd say we do for the rest of our lives. With all that we have, we do. And we will, when the sky turns black and he comes back riding on the clouds. Every day and every moment, every breath we take, we choose you. Look into my eyes, dear. Look into my eyes, dear. 'Cause this is where it starts. Yes, this is where it starts. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. And this is where it starts. And I'll say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will, when the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, and every breath you take, I choose you.
Wipe your tears, take a breath. Lay your head on my chest. Let me hold you through the night.
Yeah, the world can bring us down, but I still believe somehow it's all gonna be alright. Come what may, the highs, the lows. Well, this life will be hard, but you and me won't. When the waters rise and we face the fire, we'll rest in our foundation, hand in hand, on our knees, nothing between us, you, me, and Jesus.
Oh, we'll have a few fights,
Who's wrong and who's right, but I want you to know, at the end of the day, I'm always here to stay. No, you'll never be alone.
come what may, the highs, the lows. Well, this life will be hard, but you and me won't.
Oh, when it's time to say goodbye, we'll rest in our foundation, hand in hand on our knees, nothing between us. 'Cause in the end, even death could only lead us to you, me, and Jesus.
You're my, always you're my, forever you're my reality. You're my sunshine, you're my best times, you're my anomaly. And I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you, and I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do, and I will. When the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take, I choose you. This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity. With our union, we will move mountains. We will live on our knees. 'Cause he'd choose us in 100 lifetimes. He'd choose us in 100 worlds. He'd find us, and we'd say we do for the rest of our lives. With all that we have, we do, and we will. When the sky turns black and he comes back, riding on the clouds, every day and every moment, every breath we take, we choose you. Look into my eyes, dear. Look into my
Hello.
eyes, dear.
Let's give another pause for the bride and groom.
say I do. For the rest of my life, with all that I have, I do. And I will, when the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, and every breath you take, I choose you.
All right. Since the bride and the grooms are here, let's start that fun activities, yeah? All right, all right. Let's hear songs from our brother before we hear some speeches from the friends, yeah? Let's welcome Brother Siam. Let's give a pause.
Test, test. Ama đi mà.
Cái real video music part bác ó part lên kia. Ok ok video sana ang part sana ya. Wow, you prepared.
Wow. You gotta prepare, no?
I was gonna sing without preparing, you know. Salam.
I mean, I'm still gonna mess up even if I prepare. Okay, no, not perfect. Okay, perfect lo jama. Hana dan lagi kisam lo jangan. Hana dan lagi nothing to need to be prepared. Alor nggak sih sedih.
Quay về băng động.
Mi ngon lại, tôi đi ngon lại.
Why rushing?
Ya có tuổi à? Ya có tuổi à? Vậy, biết đâu này. Hả? Mau kêu lại chả? Giúp rồi. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Yeah, I'm truly honored to be here, standing here today for my friend Bablu and MP as a best man. I'd like to say some stuff before I start singing. My mom's calling me. So when I met Bablu, I don't remember what years, but it was long time ago. It was from playing soccer. He was the opposing team actually. You know, I'm Zomi and this guy's Korean, right? So, you know, thinking back, I remember like when we play soccer, it's always about wanting to win. You know, so we be playing, and there's so many times we'll be like kind of fighting in a way. My teammate and their teammate always fight. But there's one guy, like I can remember, never been caught in a drama or doesn't want to fight. And that guy is Bablu, you know. He always smile. I can tell this. Even to this day, he always smile, never lost his attitude. So, yeah. So it surprised me when he told me that he want to join the military. I'm like, what the heck? This guy, he's not a fighter. He's a lover boy, you know. But what I noticed talking to Nampi, she told me they're planning on getting married once he's done with the boot camp. And I was like, okay, that makes sense now, you know, because this guy is like a fighter, but fighting for the love, you know. So yeah, I'll give him up for Bablu. And for Nampi, obviously, I know her for many years. We kind of grew up from the church. She's really smart, intelligent, and there's no word I can put for her, you know, how great she is. I'm really happy for them. this one particular thing that I can remember now is she had mentioned that they used to talk back in high school, you know. So um, this kind of remind me, there's a saying, God doesn't give you the right person if it's not the right time. You know, now looking back, this is perfectly the right time, you know. So I'm really happy for them. But yeah, just so you know, don't be texting your ex saying this is the destiny, you know, this is not the message. But today it's about, you know, timing, growth, and faith in two people believing in God, and everything is possible. To wrap up my speech, I have chosen this song that I really like, that I can resonate with them. It's called You're Still the One. Let's go! And yeah, if you know the lyrics, just sing along, okay? Okay, let's go, guys. Where's my water? Let's go. Oh, thank you. Woo! Let's go. Looks like we made it. Look how we made it, baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. Still the one, you're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what we've been missing. Oh, I bet they said, I bet they'll never make it. Look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. Still the one, you're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. Still the one, you're still the one that I love, the only one I dream. Oh, you're still the one I kiss goodnight. Still the one. Still the one. Yeah, you're still the one I want to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. I'm so glad they made it. Father, come on, baby. God bless y'all.
Wow, thank you so much. Now let's give our brother Dao for a speech. Let's give a pause for him.
Hey, chill, guys, chill. Good evening, everyone. Hi, my name is Potaucha or San U, or you can call me PTK. And I'm kind of nervous, man, so I might stutter. So forgive me if I like stutter. First off, I would like to say congratulations to both of you guys. So me and Bablu, like we go like way back. I don't know. I've been knowing him like since middle school. I don't know, like. So Bablu is a very humble and respectful person who always like brought fish, dear me like to my family whenever he go like hunt or fish. So he's like a very humble guy, and he's a hard-working person who's always like take care of his family first. Like he will work like I don't know like 60 hours and he still pull up in the training and stuff. Ain't gonna lie, but he's a hard course cause most of the memories that I remember, like when we go like camping and stuff, he be sleeping on like on the ground or on the rock. Like we're out 10. That's how he's like hardcore. So anybody know his Balbu's favorite quote from the SKFC? What is it? Anybody? His favorite quote? No? What's his favorite quote? Yeah, quote. He always said it in the soccer training when we like have a game. So this is his favorite quote. Is never give up. Never give up. So I'm gonna give it back to him, cause he always tells us like to never give up. Like whenever like he gets smoked or like like people like 'cause he play left back. Whenever he get like run by, he would always tell us to like never give up. But last summer he be locking down like most of the guys, like he be improve a lot. So what I want to say is that since now that you married, I want to say never give up on your love. And never give up, like whatever the weather, the storm, grow up together, healthy, be successful, be rich. And I want to congratulate both of you. And also, I want to give some one advice: slow down your driving, bro. Hey, thank you.
Hello. Thank you, our brother Dao. Now let's call for a duet songs. Our brother Sumboy and Mama. Let's give a pause.
This song requested by Nampi. We'll sing our best, okay?
Lord, I thank you when I bless the day you brought a change in my life. Even when I'm searching for to share my peace and love with someone, as I wonder how it could be. Found the ones to dear to me, to heaven to hold, for better for worse. Your sickness and health don't reach upon. Only God can give us strength to share His love each other till the end. Even when the strong winds blow, I will hold you close and not let go. treasure your care that you hold us through the end.
Always love and cherish you all my life, as long as I have breath. Here I stand, hold my hand, as the world will know that I love you. We believe God, He our promises. His grace and power will give us peace, to heaven to home, for better, for worse, in sickness and health, to reach your point.
Only God can give us strength to share His love each other till the end. Even when the strong winds blow, I will hold you close, do not let go. Lord, we trust in your love, we trust in your care, that you hold us through to the raging sea and the waves of life that may come. Let your mighty hand keep holding out to the strong passers by. Only God can give us strength to share His love each other till the end. Even when the strong winds blow, I will hold you close, do not let go. Lord, we trust in your love, we trust in your care, that you hold us through the end.
To heaven to love you, to heaven to
That you
love you.
hold us through the end.
God bless the new couple forever.
မင်္ဂလာသစ္စာလေးမောင်နှံဖျားရှင်ကောင်းချီးပေးပါစေ
Thank you, thank you. That's awesome. Now, before we call for the next one, let's give a time for cake, yeah? It's time to cut cake. Mary, prepare for the speech. After that, dun dun dun. Someone is hungry for the cake. Let's welcome the bride and the grooms in the front. Just two of you. Come up, please.
right before right before we cut the cake ใช่ไหมฟังใช่ไหมอัน
Before we cut the cake, just a quick announcement. There are lots of food, and if you like to take home, you can take home. You can pack some for your families, friends, at homes. Yes, thank you. And let's take a pictures real quick. What is the plate for the cake?
no นั่งเอามาขุดแลนด์ yeah that yes yes
Yeah, you know. Cake. Oh, I thought it was real and okay. Okay, who should we let them feed first?
So much beauty to discover.
The bride to the groom or the groom to the bride?
I can hardly tell.
Groom to bride, groom to bride.
I will never stand in
With spoon or no spoon?
of a grace that never is. The more I praise you,
Don't cut the whole thing yet.
the more I want to.
Don't cut the whole thing yet. You gotta feed each other first before you feed anybody.
I lay my life down.
Link arms. Okay, first feed each other first.
Falling in love with you. We have barely scratched the surface of your death-defying love.
She give him
Every
full
breath I
spoon.
have is worth it.
Thank you.
1,000 songs are not enough.
Okay, kids, you guys can line up for the cake.
Praise you, the more I want to. I'm falling in
You guys can line up for cake.
falling in love with you. I lay my life down. God, I am yours now. I'm falling in love with you. Yes, I'm falling in love with you. For the stars at night, every sunset sky. For it all, oh God, I say I love you. For the world you made, every brand new day. For it all, oh God, I say I love you. For the cross you bore.
Wow, the youngest kids line up first. Look at this, cutest youngest.
All I have inside, heart, soul, and mind. For it all, oh God, I say I love you. For it all, oh God, I say I love you. For it all, oh God. The more I praise you,
Okay, while we have cakes lined up, can we have Mary speech or songs or both? And after that, all ladies 18 plus, be ready for bucket toss. Let's give a pause for Mary.
I'm gonna sing All of Me by John Legend, but first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mary, and I'm Nempi Nis. And especially I want to say thank you to everyone who came and to support my aunt on her special day. It really, thank you to everyone who came. What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. You've got my head spinning. No kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Oh. How many times do I have to tell you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down. I'm around through every mood. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing, it's ringing in my head for you. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Oh. Cards on the table, we're both showing hearts, risking it all though it's hard, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me. I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me. And you give me all of you. And I give you all of me. And you give me all of you. Oh, thank you.
That's beautiful. Just like her. Okay, let's welcome the next duet. Sumboy and Kim Nu. Woo! The next potential groom and bride. Woo! Yeah, if God's will, he
God's
said.
will.
He will. I trust in God, so he will.
Okay, this is another song requested by Nampi. Thank you, and we'll try our best to sing, okay?
Now this song is for the bride and the groom, not for us.
If I have to live my life without your near me, they will all be empty. Sabi? The night will seem so long. With you I see forever oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but it never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they take us where we want to go.
Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love.
Nothing gonna change my love for you.
You ought to know by now how much
I love you. The one may change my whole life too,
but nothing's gonna change my love for you.
If the road ahead is not so easy,
Our love will lead the way for us, like a guiding star.
I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The one day change won't be true, but nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you.
One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love.
Nothing gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life too. Nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Yes, nothing will change. The love for Bablu and Nampi. Woo! Okay, ladies, line up in the front. Now it's time for tossing the bucket. Or you can hand it to a specific person. Okay, girls, if you're 18 plus and unmarried, please come up front. Or we will be handing it to you. Up here, please, ladies, up here. Up here, up here. Up until here, up until here. Line up, please, up until here. Line up until here. Oh, actually, hold on. Facing this way, so the camera can catch. Line up in behind here. Facing this way, yes. Okay, now hold on, nang entertain on lo. You cannot see anymore, so that it will be. Up and saboy dong nek ko, saboy dong nek. Okay, good. Come up front a little bit more. She cannot touch that hard, okay? You don't want to ruin the bouquet. Why are you sitting? You cannot sit. Come up, please. Huh? I'm sorry. Next time, yeah? I said 18 plus, so. Okay, ready? Okay, the rest of you please help count down. After 3, okay? After 3. Throw after 3. Let's go. Ready? Okay, count. 1, 2, 3. Make them excited. To the left or to the right, to the front, to the back, the middle. Who knows who's gonna catch? Count. One more. Okay. Let's go. 6, 7, count. 1, 2, 3. Let's give a pause for Rachel.
It's meant to be, meant to be.
God's plan, God's plan. Okay, since we have a little bit more times, let's play the a little game for them. Huh? Clean up hun ta. No, we got until 8:30. Tun này sẽ kỳ sáng nay luôn. Này sẽ kỳ sáng nay luôn. We have time. The groom and bride, please come up here.
Bablu, who are you?
Bablu.
Oh, who the heck?
Oh, he's right here. He's just so blue, so in love, so quiet. Please sit. Please take a seat.
Take off your shoes. Your shoes, take off. Okay, nhắc vào những cái nào?
It's time for questions, right? That
Oh, one.
we did not know about them. Let's expose today. The shoe game.
Here. If it's you, then you raise.
Okay, the
this.
game
If
is
it's her, then you
simple.
raise
We'll be
this.
asking
And-
questions about each other,
Nặng
and
như
you
vậy,
will be
yeah, mày là-
answering by raising the shoes. If the answer is about the bride, you raise the bride's shoes. If it's about the groom, you raise the groom's shoes. And if it's both, you can raise both. Okay, who is curious? Okay, save your questions for later, right? First of all,
Who said I love you first?
that's a right answer.
Okay. All right, second question. Who make the first kiss? Next question. Next.
Okay, next questions. Who eat more? They both believe in themselves. Yes.
Okay, more.
Okay, who is messier? Okay, who is more sleepy-headed? Okay, who said I'm sorry first? That is love. That.
Who can cook better? Oh, okay.
Right there.
Who looks more beautiful, handsome today?
That is the right answer.
Who is smarter?
Who is lazier?
Who is more popular in high school?
Okay, who take longer to prepare?
Who dresses better? Who is more patient? Who is more patient? Patient.
Okay, who is more shy?
Who is more romantic?
That's right.
Any questions from the audience?
Okay, random questions from the audience.
We already did that. We already did that.
Okay, who wake up late in the morning? We already know who's mostly beheaded, right? Who sleep late?
Who want to have kids first? Okay.
Okay, who wants more kids? Who want more kids, more babies? Yeah!
Okay.
Okay, who can sing better? Okay, who can give speech better?
Who drives better?
Who is more clean and organized?
Who is more extroverted? Who is more extrovert?
Extroverted, outgoing.
More friends.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Give it a applause for the groom and the bride.
Okay, you guys can take a few more pictures with them if you want. Okay, this is the reception party has ended, and there will be the after party at the bride house. You guys are welcome to join, and if you want to know the information about where and when, you guys can ask either me or some of the bridesmaids or the best man.
It will be at Federal Way.
And please, of course, help us clean up.
Let's all clean up together. Together.
I ever wanted, prayed for, and much more, so much more. So will you marry me? For worse or for better, I'll be yours to keep. I promise your whole life I'll be there for you, take care of you, no matter what the future holds. I'm gonna love you, never let you go. Will you marry me? When I look into your eyes, I see forever. Girl, when I'm looking at that smile, I see the woman of my dreams. I know